Welcome to another SOLIDWORKS Tech Tip. Today we're going to be covering the Flatten Surface function. This is a functionality which is only available in SOLIDWORKS Premium. Let's get into it. Flatten Surface is a tool that's going to let you unwrap and flatten any kind of curvilinear surface like this. It can be used for decal applications or analysis, as well as some sewn goods design. Bonus tip for today. I don't remember where the Flatten Surface tool is located, so I can hit the S key and start typing Flatten Surface, and SOLIDWORKS will pull it up for me. Then I'm going to click on the eye, and it's going to take me right to the location and point out with a nice big red arrow where the Flatten Surface tool is. First, I need to simply select the surface I wish to flatten into a 2D shape, and then select a vertice or edge to unflatten from. As you can see, it's created a mesh, and it's got a preview of what the 2D shape of that mesh is going to look like once it's unwrapped. We can also increase or decrease the accuracy of this mesh to be higher or lower. We could also add relief cuts, which we'll show in a minute. There we go. We have our surface that's been made 2D that was originally referencing this 3D surface here. This is great for decal applications or vinyl wraps or anything like that where you need to put a 2D material over a 3D shape. Next, we're going to show the deformation plot of this 2D surface, meaning where it's been stretched or shrunk to fit onto this 2D plane. You can see here that we've got some areas that have been stretched and areas that are compressed. You can use this to give yourself an idea of where to put relief cuts to help more evenly distribute the stress. We're going to look at another example with relief cuts added. Here, we've added in some curves to our 3D surface as a candidate for some relief cuts. We're going to use the Flatten Surface operation again, and we could select this face here as the same place to unwrap. And then we'll select a relief cut by selecting these curves that were projected onto the surface. You can see it's generating relief cuts in the preview. Now, let's take a look at the deformation plot. You can see that it's changed. And that is the Flatten Surface tool inside of SOLIDWORKS Premium. Be sure to check it out if you're working with anything that needs a 2D material or surface over a 3D part. I hope you find this tip helpful and useful. Thank you very much.